Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair and how I make it last all day long. It is a super cringeworthy technique, but I promise you it'll make your curls last all freaking day. Promise. So if you guys want to see how I curl my hair, then just keep on watching. Alright, so what I first do is I brush my hair, and this is my super dirty, I'm not going to show you, wet brush, and I love this brush. I feel like it really has changed my hair, especially like after, you know, you shower, and I have pretty, you know, longish hair. I'm gonna kind of zoom out for right now, and it gets tangled super easily because I have very fine hair, you know, and it looks like I have a lot of hair, but I really don't. And my hair, this is after I blow dried it, and I didn't even straighten it, you know, so my hair is pretty fine, pretty straight, sleek, and it used to be super hard for me to find a way to curl my hair and that it would make it last. So but I feel like, you know, even if you had the thickest of hair, see, this is just, that's all my hair. Even if I had the thickest of hair, I've done my friends' hair who have like the world's thickest hair, and I've done my friends' hair who have the thinnest hair, or even the shortest hair or the longest hair. I just feel like this is just the best way to curl your hair. So what I first do is I split my hair in two, just like, you know, wherever you want the different curls to go, because I do curl going this way for this side, and I curl this way going this side going this way. So I start with my favorite curling iron of all time. I'm not kidding you. This is my second one because my first one, I don't know what happened to it, but it just stopped heating up. But they have a lifetime warranty, and they gave me a new one for only like 20 bucks. I replaced it, it was like 20 bucks. And this is the Royale curling iron. This is like those annoying people in the mall who flag you down to curl your hair in the middle of the mall. I'm not kidding you. I don't know what it is about this curling iron, but I have curled every single one of my friends' hair with this curling iron. They all love it. They claim like, oh, my hair doesn't curl, my hair doesn't curl, my hair doesn't last if I curl my hair. This curling iron will make your hair last. This is not the trick, kind of is. Like, you need a good tool, I think. And I have another one that I really like. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. But this one is key, I feel like. And they have different sizes. This is the one that tapers kind of, and it's 1 inch and it tapers up. They have one that's extended for really long hair. They have a thicker one, the 2-inch barrel, and you know, all of them work really well. But I just like this one for my hair because I do not have like really thick hair. And I feel like the 2-inch one would look great with the 2-inch curling iron. So this is the curling iron I have been loving for the past, I'm not kidding, 8 years. 8 years. I've used this since my freshman year in high school, and it's the best curling iron. So it's super hot, and I've gotten used to it where like if my fingers brush it, I'll be fine. But it does come with a glove. I'm not going to use the glove, but it's fine. I'm used to it. But if you do, you know, get this and you're a first timer when it comes to curling your hair, use the glove. It won't hurt. So I don't like to start with this piece first. I don't know, I'm weird. But I do start right here, and I just grab a piece. I don't section my hair off like crazy way. I'm not super fussy when it comes to doing that kind of stuff. But then I hold the curling iron like this, and then I kind of have my hair like this, like flat, and I put it away from my face, and I hold it, keep it flat on the curling iron, and I just push it up if I need to because I have long hair. So, and I just keep it flat on the curling iron, and I hold it for a few seconds. And this way, when you keep it flat, it gives it more of a barrel curl, which is what I like. I don't like the true wand curl. I don't know, weird. But I do like that more barrel. It's a little trickier to do your hair like that, but it gives a better effect. And then I just leave it. I hold it for a few seconds, and it's really hot. I hold it for a few seconds, and then I let it go. It looks crazy. Don't worry. It'll be fine. Then I curl another piece, and I just keep doing that where I like, you know, I lay it flat on there, and then I lay it flat on there. Just keep going around, and I hold it, Okay, so now that this is all curled, this whole side is all curled and it looks like this. As you can see, hair's pretty long, but that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my front pieces. I used to go crazy and do like a whole Farrah Fawcett flip, and I wish I never did that. But now what I do is I take these like thinner hairs and I just go from like halfway down my face. Do the same technique, flat. Then I leave a little out and then I like kind of move it. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. And then, so it's better, and I feel like, you know, it doesn't make you look like you're like too Farrah Fawcett. So this side's done. Now I'm gonna spray it. This, I'm not kidding, is the world's best hairspray. And it's the Tresemme hairspray 4 hold. I don't like the 5, I don't like the 3, I don't like whatever numbers they have, the 4. This is what you need. This, I will splurge on some good hair products just because, you know, I feel like it's kind of worth it, especially since it's going to be on your head for a while and I have long hair. But you will never catch me spending more money than this on a hairspray. This is what the best hairspray. It'll make your hair last all day. And yeah, so I like to like kind of lift, you know, and then I spray the bottom. Lift wherever you want. So that's that. Still looks kind of crazy, but this took me not even 4 minutes. I sped it up so you guys didn't have to be bored to tears while I do that. So like I don't do the front of my face here, I don't do my bangs just yet. I take the front part like about that thick, and I just, ooh, that didn't work out so well. Just flip it to the other side and I curl the rest of the side. So just like I did on the other side, I take a piece, and I kind of take thicker pieces on this side. I don't know why, but I have more hair on this side because my hair is parted to the side. So, and then I hold it like this again, and then I flip it away from my face and I keep it flat. Just like that, and I keep pushing up. It's getting short. So then I hold, and then Shirley Temple curl. Then I will do the rest of my.
Ain't the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it.
Okay, so now I curled the rest of that side. I am going to show you guys how I curl my bangs now. So this is the most important thing, I feel, for me, is my bangs and the way I curl my bangs. So I'm gonna take what I had and I'm gonna split it in half like that. And I'm gonna take this huge section because I feel like it's flattering to have a thick curl right in the front. And you'll see, they'll all mesh together at the end. But yeah, so then I take this strand and I go kind of a little down, not too up towards the root, and then I do the same technique and I just kind of pull on it a little bit and hold it a little longer than I would on the other hair, just because I feel like this hair always takes longer for me to curl. Oh, see? And I just, if I see a piece didn't really get curled, I just touch it up a little bit. Just like that. So there's that. Then I take whatever I had flipped over, which is the most important piece, and I kind of do the same, but kind of loosely. And like I did on the other side, I, you know, move it around a little bit. And then let it go. Now the curling is done. That took me, I'm not kidding you, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. And then I'm gonna spray this side. And just to show you, like, that's how long my hair is. And then I'm gonna let this sit just a second. You don't wanna go right in and do anything else with your curls because they're still warm. You want them to set a little bit. And then we're gonna show you the most important. So now that my hair is kind of cool, feels, you know, it feels kind of like it has hairspray in it, but not bad because this hairspray is the Flex Hold, I believe. Yeah, it's the Flex one. So now, this seems scary to some of you guys, but it's necessary. I just want to take a hairbrush. You know, if you like it, if you like the look of not brushing out your curls, then that's totally fine. You do what you like. But I just like the look of soft curls, you know. I just think it's beautiful. It makes your hair look flawless and just super pretty and fluffy and thick and natural. And I'm about anything to make my hair look thick because it's so fun. So I'm gonna do the scary thing that no one really ever thought of doing before, but I think a lot more people are doing it now, but brushing your curls. It is so necessary for you to brush your curls if you want your curls to last all day long. I'm not kidding. Your curls will last through rain. Well, they last for me. I'm not gonna, you know, be 100% on that, but my curls have lasted through rain because I've brushed them out. You know, just brushing them out just makes it last so much longer. I lived in Florida for that time being that I was curling my hair, and my curls lasted me all day. So that's saying something. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in and brush my hair. I'm not gonna go in like, you know, like brush it out like a maniac. You know, you have to do it lightly. You have to, you know, brush it out. And it also makes your hair, you know, not look crunchy after hairspraying it. Do you see what that just did? It just, and you can make, it makes your hair just look so, you can see the difference, a huge difference. No more, you know, Shirley Temple curls, just super fluffy, Victoria's Secret, you know, hair. So then I'm gonna do the same for this side. Super gentle, push it out, bangs. And yeah, so there's that. That is it. Super simple. You will love it. Your hair will last all day long. Like, you know, it just makes your hair fluffy and you can just play with it all day and, you know, just to like give it some volume, just rub your fingers through it. Done. Super simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you have anything else you'd like me to do or whatever kind of videos you'd like to see, then put it down in the comments below. Please subscribe, and I hope you guys have such a great week, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.